my name's Estrella, I'm a content creator, and yep, I knew I couldn't pass up this opportunity because
reason number one,
my brain turns out the most random ideas, which is why I started making commentary videos on YouTube and have an independent skincare brand. But my brain's kind of running out of storage right now, so if you want, I could share some ideas with you. And in fact, here's a quick TikTok idea I made for chronic ink.
Running away is easy. It's the living that's hot, hot. Running away is easy. It's the living that's hot, hot.
reason number two,
I love that Chronic Ink is offering more Asian representation in the tattoo industry. As a Chinese who's queer and neurodivergent, I know I'll feel at home, maybe even more so than my Asian household. Just kidding. Unless... Now, but for real, it really hits home for me because OK 在香港长大，然后来到加拿大的时候就是搬到 Markham, and actually I lived pretty close by to the OG Chronic Ink store in Pacific Mall.
reason number three,
You see, Teddy is literally my career goal, so I'm gonna start where he started, and I'll be absolutely honored to continue his legacy while offering a new perspective. So yeah, I'll literally take a gap year or drop out of uni for this, just let me know. No, I'm not joking. So like some people, I got my first ever tattoo when I was going through a rough patch. I was like, should I try therapy? Nah, let's just get a tattoo. So I got a pair of angel wings to basically remind myself that I can find freedom even in the spaces that didn't necessarily accept who I am. It was actually super therapeutic because, as odd as it sounds, I was finally able to put my emotional pain, something that's invisible to other people, visible on my skin, and it was pretty and digestible enough for people to be like, yo, that's dope. And as they say, when your first tattoo experience goes well, you're gonna want to go back for more. So yeah, I've gotten like 12 tattoos within a year, and that was also a day when I realized I want to look like a walking sketchbook and work in the tattoo industry. Okay, anyways, enough about the story that no one asked for. Here's some of the work that I'm pretty proud of. Damn, that was pretty short, huh? Well, that's all I'm gonna show you for now. If you want to see more, check out my social media, the link is in the description, and hit me up if you think this is meant to be. And as I say in my YouTube outros, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you later. Bye.
So pick me, choose me, love me.
Oh, and good luck to everyone who is also applying.
Hold on. Can we switch the language?